guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Streetball 2 from Adidas. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. Help us with our algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we weren't able to do this. So thank you. Let's get into this. So today we've got a look at the ADIDAS STREETBALL 2. We've got this in the Victory Crimson colorway in a US size 8.5, UK size 8, and it's a European French 42. Now, before we get into the unboxing part, let's show the box. So this is part of Adidas's End Plastic Waste initiative, and the little messages are here on the box. Again, it looks like a normal Adidas box, but you've got the nice subtle hints. Well, it's not subtle. You got the branding there that it's part of Adidas's ambition to end plastic waste. Great to see loads of companies doing that. We're all about conservation and trying to not waste products anymore. And we look at this Streetball, really nice. Just a little mention, just a little message I need to put out that parts of these sneakers are made out of recycled materials, which is part of the whole initiative, as you can see. It's a weird percentage, which I don't want to get into because it's very weirdly worded from Adidas' side. But do not fret, this is made out of recycled materials. Now we start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. Nice gum colorway. I'm a big fan of gum colorways. That's because of Reebok. They might have got the inspiration because Adidas used to own Reebok. They don't anymore. I think they just sold it recently. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I like to say Reebok is in many videos as we can because I love Reeboks. This is still a Adidas video. Do not change your dial. This in the nice gum colorway, Adidas logo at the tippy toes. And you can see this little window. There's my favorite. I'm always gonna talk about Boost technology when it comes to Adidas. And my oh my, do we have our little Boost here. You can find it in the heel with this little window right there. Moving along onto the Midsole Unit. So this is made out of Adidas's Light Strike foam technology. It's just another way of saying it's their comfort foam. They've done it with the Adiprene, just normal EVA foam as well. But this is just a nice Light Strike unit here. As I mentioned, there is a Boost technology incorporated, and you can find that in the heel unit. So every time you crash on your heel, you're gonna feel that brilliant bounceability from the Adidas Boost. Now the upper of the sneaker reminds you of basketball. Essentially, that's why these sneakers are called the Streetball Volume 2. Oh, it's not Volume. That's Adidas's Harden. I'm getting them mixed up. I'm just thinking about basketball too much because I'm looking at these sneakers. So these sneakers are inspired by streetball, like basketball on the streets. And it was got those colors, it's that silhouette, you got that vibe. There's loads of bright colors here. The way that the sneaker is, the shape of the sneaker is similar to a mid-top basketball sneaker. And it reminds me of the 90s. You don't get any of these looks in the modern day basketball, really. Well, you do kind of, because they're all retro looks and at the end of the day. We'll start with the toe box of this upper. So the upper is made out of a wide range of materials. You got some levers in here. You can see it at the toe box area where the black is. And just underneath that, on the underlays, you got this nice red suede, very Bordeaux wine colors. We love to see it here at Oneupreviewz. It gives that more premium feel. Looking at the mid panels that you can find on the lateral and the medial side of the sneaker, you got the plastics. You got man-made synthetic materials in this little window that showcases the three stripes that Adidas is so famous for. Again, you can find it on the medial side as well. And we can move along onto the heel unit. So this heel, you can see more of the sock liner. I mean, essentially this sneaker is the sock liner, mid-top. And going along onto the heel, you got this synthetic material. It's like a rubber just underneath that, where you can see a little cage covering that Boost technology on the heel. It's a little rubber here as well. Sock liner, essentially to insert your feet. I have no idea, guys. I have no idea what this logo is. It's just a bunch of shapes, I guess. That's on the heel. I have no idea what it is. Again, if you guys have an inkling, let us know in the comment section below. But to me, it's just shapes. Anyway, we move towards the tongue. Again, as I mentioned, it's a sock liner, booty fashion. It's nicely padded. You got some cushioning at the very top here. There it is as well. And at the middle, you got the ADIDAS Originals logo. There. It goes well, I think, with this fluorescent lime green and the Bordeaux. Very nice touch. Again, as I mentioned, the sock liner, the inside nicely cushioned. These were made with basketball in mind. Personally, I wouldn't play basketball in these. Whatever you're comfortable playing in, do it. And you got the ADIDAS logo on the inside. That rounds off my review. I can't wait to try these on. Reminds me of the Nightball sneaker reviews that we've done in the past, so check that Nightball review out. Similar aspects, inspired by a sport that is predominantly played outside on the streets, and you get those vibes found here. So roll that footage of me trying the street ball 2s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size ADIDAS fit. I am a UK size 8. My toes are where they need to be. It's very comfortable, guys. Don't let this chunky exterior fool you. These are really comfortable. I'm putting my thumbs up if you can't see my shadow. Let's give you the 360 to give you a full view of the sneaker. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.